Hi guys, welcome to the Untapped Wealth channel. By the end of this video, you will know if borrowing at 7% and earning 7% is a losing strategy or not. I'm Matt Kennedy, the founder of Kennedy Wealth Design and the author of the best-selling book, Untapped Wealth. For uncommon financial and business advice, be sure to subscribe to this channel and make sure you click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post new videos. So let me set up a scenario for you. Let's say you could go to the bank and borrow $100,000 at 4%. And you bring that $100,000 to me and I tell you I can get you 7% on that same $100,000. Now this is purely hypothetical, of course. Would you take that deal, borrowing at 4% and earning 7%? Well, most all of my clients, most everybody I set that up for say, of course I would take that deal. I'm borrowing at a lower rate and earning a higher rate. Most people would say, yes, I'm borrowing at a lower rate than I'm earning, and that's a winning strategy. Now, what if I change the scenario a little bit? And now instead of charging 4%, the bank is charging 7%, and yet you can still only earn 7%. Can you make any money with that deal? Go to the comments section below right now and let me know. Can you make any money borrowing at 7% and earning 7%? Let's take a look. I have a debt calculator pulled up and you can see here that our starting balance is $100,000. Our interest rate is 7%. And over a 10-year period, the interest we would pay on that loan is $39,000. Now let's bring up a compounding interest earning calculator and look what happens. That original $100,000 invested or growing at 7% earns $100,000 of interest. So in our scenario, can we earn any money? Can we make any money borrowing at 7% and earning 7%? The resounding answer is yes. Most people are shocked when they see this. Now let's run this out over a 30-year period just so you can see how having money in a compounding interest curve over time is really advantageous. In the same scenario, $100,000 at 7% over a 30-year period would cost us $139,000 in interest, but yet we would earn $711,000 of interest. Now, let me throw one more scenario at you. What if the bank came back and said, we're going to charge you 7%, but you could only take that $100,000 and earn 5% on it? Can you make any money borrowing at 7% and earning 5%? I've asked that question to literally hundreds, if not thousands of people, and they have all said, well, there's no way I would ever do that, Matt. Let's test it. All I'm going to do is change my compounding interest to 5% and look what happens. Again, I pay $139,000 in interest, but I earned $346,000 in interest. Now I've played with the calculator because I wanted to know in this scenario over time, how much do I have to earn in my compounding interest account in order to break even over my time horizon? And I think it is about 2.9%, very close. All I have to do when borrowing at 7% is earn 2.9% in interest on the account to break even. People ask me all the time, Matt, how can this be? And this is the point of this video. This is what you need to understand. All debt is simple interest. All investment or savings interest is compounding interest. So on debt, we're only paying interest on the current balance. Where in savings or investing, we're earning interest not just on the balance, but on all of the previous year's interest that has been credited to the account. Debt is simple interest. Savings and investment interest is compounding interest. So it turns out that borrowing at 7% and earning 7% is a good deal. It even turns out that borrowing at 7% and earning 5% is a good deal. To find out how you can harness the power of compounding interest over simple interest and how that can really change your life, please click on the link in the description box below to watch my masterclass and apply to become my client. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you'll get notified when we post new videos. And please tell your friends about us. Here's to a better life and a bigger future.